When using the electric wrist rotator, attach the two-pole motor cable of the dynamic arm to the right number 3 contact of the rotator. Connect the blue-coded plug to the right number 2 contact of the rotator. The second plug is connected to the left number 2 contact of the rotator. Please do not use a myoelectronic. Finally, attach the electric wrist rotator with a lock ring and connect the hand. When using the coaxial plug, connect the blue-coded plug to the right number 2 contact of the coaxial plug. Then connect the second plug to the left number 2 contact of the coaxial plug. The motor cable must not be attached to the coaxial plug. Finally, attach the coaxial plug with the lock ring and connect the hand.